Welcome to this Cadline video showing you how to view different data sets within DynamicAIM. Having found your building, the folder list shown on the right allows you to view all files associated with that building. In this example, we've chosen a drawing file, which we can show in dynamic and also full screen view. Next, we'll choose the Internet of Things to show real-time dynamic data for any of your assets, so you can virtually track any outages or efficiency issues. Choosing the BIM model folder, we can also dynamically view any BIM model. For example, a Navisworks file, where we can virtually enter any building to view the assets and components within that model. 3D laser scans can also be uploaded to DynamicAIM, shown in the dynamic view. Once the scan loads, we can choose a 3D or panoramic view of your laser scan, where again you can navigate around the scan from inside your web browser, viewing the assets in place in real time. The 360 HD View folder stores any 360 photography for your buildings. Opening into DynamicAIM View, you can walk through your virtual buildings, view assets and components, as well as interrogate features such as a hot water pump, finding out the attributes for that asset. This time we'll choose to navigate to asset level by selecting to view the hot water pump. At asset level, we can now view any file or document related to that asset. For example, this could be a 3D O&M manual, providing a virtual 3D operating manual for your asset, allowing your engineers to view how asset components work before going on an on-site visit. Using the Plant Room Spares module, you can also view all components of the chosen asset in a virtual 3D model. You can navigate around the 3D asset and select any specific component from the model to add into your shopping trolley as a spare part. Once you've chosen all your spare parts to order, simply view your shopping trolley, edit any quantities and place your order directly from the web browser.